How to send USDT from ByBit to Phantom Wallet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your USDT from ByBit to Phantom Wallet. So first thing first, just head over to your Phantom Wallet and make sure you are currently logged into your account and simply click on this receipt icon over here from the top left. And once you click on that, you should see all of your networks over here and just choose any one of these. So in this example, I'll simply copy the address for Solana. So once you do that, just head back to your ByBit and make sure you're currently logged into your account over there as well, and just click on search bar and just search in for USDT, or you can just tap on withdraw and just search in for USDT just like this. And once you're inside here, make sure to select the on-chain one and enter all of the mentioned things such as address, your network, that is our Solana, and just enter the amount that you would like to withdraw. And once you do all of that, just finally click on withdraw just like that, and you should be able to send USDT from ByBit to Phantom Wallet. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.